Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Büşra. Today I will share with you the recipe for hamburger bun and beef burger. I bet this is much more delicious than the one that you get from restaurants. My daughter loved it and you should try also. Let's look at the ingredients without making you wait anymore. For the bun you will need 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of oil, 1 pack of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg white, 2 cups of milk, about 10 cups of flour, sesame, (600g) ground beef for meatballs, black pepper, salt and 2 cloves of garlic. Preparing the meatball is very easy, so I leave it to the last part. Let's start making the bun first. Put yeast and sugar in a mixing bowl. I add warm milk on it. I mix a little bit for yeast to dissolve. I put salt, egg whites, oil, yogurt. I take out all the yogurt left in the glass with spoon. Finally, I add flour and mix. First, I added 4 cups of flour. Of course, my dough is pretty sticky right now. I keep adding flour. I will continue to knead it a little on the counter. I sprinkled some flour. In this way, I continue to knead the dough by sprinkling flour. We got a very nice soft but not sticking dough. Now I put it back into the bowl. Cover it with a stretch and I will keep it in a warm place for rising. After about an hour later, the dough was fermented, as you can see right now. I knead a little more and give it a round form. I can now divide them into parts. Since I want to make some big burgers, I shape them into a big round ball. I got exactly 14 pieces, approximately 145 grams each. I put each ball on parchment paper. Let me show you how I made the ball more closely. I push the dough down with my hand and I try to give it a nice form by rolling the excess part at the bottom in my palm. Let me show you both trays. It will be better to place them with space between each so that they do not stick together. We cover the trays with a cloth and wait for another half an hour. Yes, they were rise enough. At this stage, I set the oven to 200 Celsius. I apply water on each bun with a brush. Finally, let's pour sesame on top of it. I put the first tray in the oven. I took the tray out of the oven when the top and bottom of the burger buns browned well. It is very hot, but let me show you how they look. I put wet towel paper on top of the bread to soften it. I want to show how soft the buns are. You see, they are like cotton. Before I start making the meatball, I would like to make a short reminder. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. I would be very happy if you write your questions and comments at the comment section below. I add the minced garlic, black pepper, and salt into a different bowl and mix it. I will use a tool like this to shape the meatballs. I got piece from the mix and press it like this. With these ingredients, I got 5 big beef burgers. but my tool was pretty big. Let's take oil in a pan and fry the meatballs. I put the meatballs on pan when oil become very hot. Now we can gather everything. I cut the buns in half. Let me shove them inside. I made my own ketchup for the first time and the result was amazing. I would like to show it like that. Soon I will share the ketchup recipe with you. I can say that the consistency and taste was the same as we got from the markets. I applied the ketchup under the bread and put the meatballs on it. I put lettuce, tomato, red onion, and cucumber pickles. You can put anything you want inside though. Yes, burgers are ready. They look very nice. I hope you like my video. See you in my next recipe. Goodbye.